that? When I say ago, it means I'm calling for your attention. When you say ame, it means you're ready to give me your attention. So ago! Ago! You are all in for a very special treat today. My name is Griffin Brady, and I'm coming to you from the Slywood School of Music, Art, and Dance in Buffalo, New York. Now, I first met this wonderful group of performers that you're about to see back in 2004, my first trip to Ghana, West Africa. 4 short years later, we managed to bring 15 members of this dance troupe to the United States to perform at colleges, universities, schools all over the country. And here in Monticello, this is our home away from home. So it feels so good to be back here, even though I hear there's snow coming. It's still so good to be here. And really, from the bottom of my heart, I can't thank you enough for coming out here to support the arts and having these wonderful children here to come and work with us. We had so much fun drumming and dancing today, and so what we have for you is something very special. This is a world premiere of an arrangement of traditional music from the Upper West region of Ghana. We have 3 pieces that we will perform simultaneously. The first one is called Tomina, which means the work of our family. The xylophone, the drumming, and the dancing, this is the work of our family. The next one is Sabawana, which is going to be sung by the middle group, which is a song about, hey, the rains aren't coming, so we can't farm. What are we going to do? We're going to sing. And then the very last one, Polipala, is for the ladies. In African music, there's a very, very important cultural context. It's how the generations learn how to hold themselves, how to behave, how to, mix and mingle with adults, how to mix and mingle with your peers, and how to respect yourself and others. And so all of these songs have very specific meanings, and they all revolve around this instrument here, which is called the jil. Jil is a Dagara word which means gather. And as you can see, we've all gathered around to celebrate this instrument. And I'll tell you some more about it afterwards. But please, without any further ado, please put your hands together for the Sakumu Dance Troupe. Ladies and gentlemen, from the Upper West region of Ghana, our master xylophone player, Alfred Kwabasa.